Do you want to finally break out of a crowded construction market and consistently win your ideal projects every single time? Well, the only way to do that is if you master your USP. USP, your unique selling point. Do you have one? Well, if you don't, you really need to find one, because otherwise you're only going to be winning work because you're the cheapest. That's the only way people can compare you, and we don't want to win work if we're the cheapest. So how do we generate a USP? Well, the first thing you need to do is list out all the things that you have as a strength as a business. Maybe you have really good quality work, maybe you've been established for a long time, maybe you have excellent project management. Whatever it is, list out a big long list of what your strengths are. The next thing you need to do is think about what your frustrations and worries that your clients have. So maybe they're worried about the project finishing on time or on budget or things like that. List out all the client worries and all your strengths. The last thing you then need to do is match your strengths to your client's worries so that you can provide a solution. If your USP provides a solution to your client's frustrations, then you're really going to be able to target your ideal client. I'd love to hear what your USP is after doing this exercise, so drop it into the comments below and let's have a look.